Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope so all my viewers are fine and doing well. Guys, in this collection you see the decoration of Merry Christmas 2022. The decoration is outstanding. Celebration is very important related to the Merry Christmas 2023. The decoration about the candle holders. The candle holders look so amazing, look so fantastic. The decoration is very beautiful, guys, and the Christmas festival is very important, create love and create happiness. Christmas is doing a little something extra for someone. Christmas is the season of happiness, and I like the Christmas festival very much. So guys, if you like my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos, then your first responsibility to subscribe to my channel. What is Christmas? Only about the happiness. Create the decoration, and thank you to God. Every time a bell of rings, an angel gets his wings. At Christmas, all roads lead home. Very beautiful. The Christmas can't be bought from a store. The Christmas mean a little bit more. Christmas is this collection is very useful for you related to the Merry Christmas ideas. So thank you so much guys to appreciate my YouTube channels, to like my YouTube channels, to share my YouTube channel. And the Christmas is very important festival hold a year, and it's a starting of every year, and may you never to grow up to such a strike of Christmas. And Christmas is very beautiful event, and everyone spend very beautiful, and it's a most wonderful time of the year. And that Christmas is not just a day, it's a festival of mind and create the happiness about the Christmas is a season, not only the judgmental. It's create a beautiful vibes every year and create positivity around